Good morning everyone and welcome to my channel. Paul here from Fiesta Adventures, and today I want to show you a really cool place on the California coast. This is called the Kirk Creek Campground, and it's literally right on the bluffs above the water. It's located about 57 miles, I think, south of Carmel and about 25 miles south of Big Sur, right on the coast. And right across the street is a road called Nacimiento Road, which heads up, straight up, quite steeply up, directly behind me, up the bluffs there, and you really look directly down on the coast from high above. And also right across the street from the campground is a trailhead, the Vicente Flat trailhead. So there's great hiking, literally right from the campground. You just walk across the road. Now this campground is it's absolutely stunningly beautiful, and it's also full like 100% of the time. It's booked out 6 months in advance, but there's often cancellations like the week of, and more typically during the week. So if you look on the recreation.gov site, you can often grab a site or two. In my case, I'm staying here for 3 nights, and I had to book 3 different sites, so I have to move every day, but that's a small price to pay, honestly, to be here. Also, right from the campground, there's a very short hike. It's not much more than a quarter mile. It'll take you right down to the water, and there's a beach down there, depending on the tide. At high tide, the beach is less accessible, but at mid tide or below, the beach is accessible, and it's beautiful. But either way, you can walk down there and check it out and get right next to the waves and watch them crash. All of the sites here are pretty good. I really, some are better than others, but I don't really worry about it too much because they're all just amazing. I think there's 33 sites, so it's not a crowded place. No water. Bring your water. Pit toilets, so bring all your food and water, and check it out. It is really one of the finest campgrounds, I think, in the entire state, entire country, entire world. So I can't recommend it more. This is my 2nd time here, and I'll be coming back more because there's plenty to explore. I'm a cyclist. I ride bicycles, and so I like to ride up Nacimiento Road. Currently it's closed to cars, Nacimiento Road is, because of washouts and a fire and various things, but they currently are allowing bicycles to pass, so I'm going to head up there. It's about a 2,700 foot climb to the summit, and then from there you can continue on to the Hunter Liggett Army Base. You can make it all the way over to King City if you want, and at the top of the hill there's some dirt roads, so if you have a gravel bike or a mountain bike, you can exercise those options. Otherwise, the hiking is great. Hearst Castle's down the road about 40 miles if you want to do the tourist thing and head down there. And there's another hiking area down south about 15 or 20 miles, I think. It's called Salmon Creek, and that's also a beautiful place to hike. So there's plenty to do here. And not only that, to be honest with you, hanging out here at the campground all day is perfectly fine too. The RVs are allowed, but I think there's a limit of maybe 25 feet or something like that. But it's great for tent camping or a van or small RVs. I have you see my Sprinter van behind me, so this is like the perfect vehicle to bring along here, and super comfortable. It's November right now, and it's going to be like sunny and 70 degrees today. In the summertime, it's often foggy. So in a way, sometimes the fall or spring is a better time. And also, even though it's foggy on the coast in the summer, if you walk inland, go hiking up into the mountains behind the shoreline, it can be awfully hot up there. So October, November, great time to come visit. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it the old thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. I've got some great adventures planned. So until then, thanks for watching.